Hello everybody. Today I will give you overview of polymorphism in this video, and I will show you what is polymorphism and purpose of it. So let's start the session. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. In polymorphism, poly means many and morph means forms. Polymorphism is one of the main pillars in object oriented programming. It allows you to create multiple methods with the same name but different signatures in the same class. The same name methods can also be in derived classes. There are two types of polymorphism. Number 1, method overloading. Number 2, method overriding. In this article, I will explain method overloading and method overriding concept in C#. I will try to demonstrate step-by-step differences between these. So number 1 is method overriding. Method overriding is a type of polymorphism. It has several names like compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism, and sometimes it is also called early binding. Method overloading means creating multiple methods in a class with the same name but different signatures, parameters. It permits a class struct or interface to declare multiple methods with the same name with unique signatures. Compiler automatically calls required method to check number of parameters at their type which are passed into that method. Method overriding. Method overriding is a type of polymorphism. It has several names like runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism, and it is also called late binding. Method overriding means having two methods with same name and same signature parameters. One should be in the base class and other method should be in a derived class, child class. You can override the functionality of a base class method to create a same name method with same signature in a derived class. You can achieve method overriding using inheritance. Virtual and override keywords are used to achieve method overriding. In the above example, I have created two same name methods in the base classes as well as in the child class. When you call the base class add method with less than 0 value as parameters, then it adds successfully. But when you call the child class add method with less than 0 value, then it checks for negative value and the passing values are negative, then it asks for new value. So here it is clear that we can modify the base class methods in derived classes. Points to be remembered: number 1, method cannot be private. Number 2, only abstract or virtual methods can be overridden. Number 3, method which method should be called is called decided at runtime. Conclusion of this video. So today we learn what polymorphism is, OOP, and what the difference between method overloading and method overriding. Well, thanks for watching this video. For today it's enough. If you have any queries, let me know below in comment box, and please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.